Today we're going to get into the world of sweetness you might crave at any moment. Yes, it's none other than a candy, the most accessible and a quick turnaround for little sweet cravings. Here, these bunch of renowned robotic machines are expertly releasing the smooth candy paste, which is going to get through a lot of kneading and other processes, which you probably do not know. After achieving perfect smoothness, each candy mixture is gently rolled up with strong robotic rolling pins to constantly knead them for a perfect texture at the end. You can see these four sorts of candies are going to process, so let us show you their close-up by taking you towards one of those buttery sweet lanes. Here comes our honey-flavored candy mixture. You can see it has a bit of a runny texture for now, but with constant kneading, it's going to become the hard candy you love to have. You may notice the mixture's consistency is changing from runny to a little bit sticky and chewy now. It's the magic of kneading. Following that, they are delicately buffed with a rolling spinner to achieve flawless smoothness, ensuring they melt away with every mouthful. And not forgetting those modern machines, which helped a lot in speeding up this tiresome task without involving any manual help. Plus, from kneading to thinning and shaping the candies into perfectly equal shapes, it's purely amazing. This advanced machinery ensures that the candies become incredibly smooth, melting in your mouth instantly and offering an irresistibly delightful taste. Just as every flavor offers its unique delight, much like how each individual's mind is distinct, so too are our preferences and tastes. That's why, observing human diversity, these candies are crafted in a variety of flavors. Previously, humans would mix candy mixtures by hand and affix them to walls with a sturdy nail, a laborious and exhausting task. You might have watched such reels on social media declaring their old candy-making methods. Look at the changing color of these candies. From bright red to getting pinkish glow, they are all set to get packed and enjoyed by all of us. Once all of the four candies are ready to get their cloaks on, all of them are sent towards the multi-packing station, where a specific batch of the mixed candies will be packed and sealed, ensuring you and your kids get to enjoy all the four flavors. Following the era of hard, crackling candies, we now have beloved chocolate and soft candies. Made from cocoa powder and milk, the chocolate is refined to a silky smooth texture with no lumps. This mixture is molded into full bars and then kneaded constantly while getting different beautiful patterns from the specially designed rolling pins. Just hit the like button for this amazing automation. As soon as the candies are cut, they are immediately packed into the small wrappers. Ain't you motivated enough to get one of these? Here you get to watch the gummies made straight of the fresh juices. Yes, they involve the fresh juice nectar, so every gummy has its own original flavor. Obviously a little bit enhanced by adding sugars. These gummies are as delicious to eat as they are attractive to look at. Special colors are carefully chosen for their packaging to ensure they stand out prominently in every aspect. I would like to make a quick request. If you like our content and want to support us, please subscribe to us and hit that like button so we stand out to create more enthralling videos for you guys. Jelly Belly gummies are made with the same careful attention and high quality that have made the brand famous for its jelly beans. These gummies are packed with strong, real flavors that taste like actual fruits and other favorite treats, giving you an amazing taste experience. Made with real fruit nectar and several other sweet ingredients. Each bite is delicious, making these gummies a treat that candy lovers everywhere enjoy. Jelly beans are also loved for their unique texture. They have a slightly hard outer layer, but when you bite into them, there's a burst of sweetness inside it, making your mouth full of realistic flavors. While the rest of the beans are made with different other sorts of techniques, like running the colorless beans inside the finishing drums and adding the required color at the very spot to achieve the shiny, juicy beans. Robotic machines are everywhere to speed up the process and help the labor. Either it's packing any product into the little vibrant packets or the robotic machines handling the bulk in bigger cartons, these marvelous machines are true helping buddies. These mini waffles are renowned for their light, fluffy texture and deep pockets that make them perfect for holding syrup, fresh fruits, and creamy whipped delights. With a batter leavened by yeast, they boast a crisp exterior and a soft, airy interior that melts in your mouth. Whether enjoyed as a luxurious breakfast treat or a delightful dessert, these Belgian waffles offer a mouth-watering experience. Just look at their texture. It's perfectly smooth. On busy and lazy days, when frozen pizza can work its magic and satisfy your hunger in a snap, what more could you ask for? It all starts with mixing the dough and shaping it into compact balls, but no worries. Machines can handle all that without even needing a helping hand. Now, some signature ingredients are skillfully mixed into the pizza sauce and sprinkled onto the dough. And of course, pizza isn't pizza without cheese, so it's time for the machine to first check the cheese's consistency and then shred it and sprinkle it generously on top. As you have seen, made with real top-notch ingredients, these frozen pizzas are a blessing. Just pop one in the oven, and in minutes, you have a hot, delicious pizza ready to eat. Each slice is loaded with gooey cheese, zesty sauce, and toppings that are out of this world. Trust us, you won't be able to stop at just one slice. Humans can't crank out dozens of donut cakes in a minute, but that's where these robotic machines come in. They're set up with preset settings so they need less manual involvement, or you can say help and make fewer mistakes. Now, a creamy, dreamy layer is infused onto each donut cake, all set to activate those on-leave taste buds with every bite, and you're gonna crave for more. And what else would matter so much other than this chocolatey dip on the top? They'll be left untouched shortly to let the chocolate harden just perfectly. And now it's being packed up without compromising on its quality for sure. After watching this entire video, you are never going to doubt the commercially made omelets or even commercially raised hens. Yup, they are being raised in far more cleaner, pure, and fully optimized environments, which might be somehow compromised in domestic situations. Anyways, check out this totally automated system, which makes sure the eggs laid by chickens are safely transferred to the moving belts, while the upper layer will be still dedicated to their food. Once collected, each egg goes through various stages that used to be labor-intensive and time-consuming. Today, advanced automated systems have made these processes quick and easy. Here's how this robotic machine organizes and transfers eggs, seamlessly guiding them through each step without a crack, setting them up for the next stage with precision and grace. If you wonder why we are talking about eggs today, I just wanted to tell you guys how important they are for your daily diet, as they are nutrient-rich, providing high-quantity protein, essential vitamins, and antioxidants. They support muscle repair, brain and heart health, and weight management. Just accept it. Who likes to prepare breakfast every early morning, if you ask me? I barely recognize myself in that morning hassle. These arms are equipped with sensors and specialized grips that handle each egg with care. In the next step, the entire bunch of egg trays gets a thorough wash with high-pressure water to ensure 100% cleanliness and perfection. After drying, they are carefully inspected to ensure no eggs have cracks or gone bad. This might not seem a difficult task, but it's an important step so your omelet always tastes delicious and fresh. Now comes the automatic egg separator machines that use a bunch of robotic arms to automate the process of cracking eggs and separating the yolks from the whites, making large-scale operations faster and more precise. This precise cracking ensures that the yolk and white are not damaged and that no shell fragments mix with the egg components. After cracking, this person carefully observes and removes the damaged egg yolks from the mesh. The eggs flow through a little stream until they get whisked to make a perfect omelet for our audience. The entire material is now poured through these automated nozzles to make sure every lane gets the right amount of whisked eggs. I'm always amazed watching these machines working like it's a piece of cake. These are responsible for dripping only required oil, so the omelet doesn't get wet in the oil nor sticks to the stove belts. Just watch this sight that needs no explanation. It's simply pouring the eggs, and it's super satisfying. You may have noticed those rising bubbles in the eggs, which means just like our normal omelets, these are also about to be cooked to perfection in a few seconds. As soon as they are 98% cooked, the smart rollers start their magic of perfectly rolling the omelets. And what I noticed was the perfect roll, no sticking and no damaging. Let me show you its close-up. It's super duper exciting. Enjoying the sights? Tell me in the comments section, what do you like the most about this omelet automation? I'd love to know. Once the omelet rolls are ready, the machines take them out in separate chambers, or you can say collectors. And that 2-second pause isn't by mistake. It's a wonderful trick to cook the omelet in perfect and equal texture from inside out. Another purpose of bringing this bulk factory automation is to show you guys how beautifully and cleanly they proceed with every step. From eggs collecting to making omelets. They're working hard and with full dedication, just to make your lives a little bit easier. As the omelet rolls are ready, they are taken out of the chambers by using several auto-robotic arms and placed on the moving belts, so they get cooled a little before packaging. Look at that automation. It won't stop until it makes more than 1,000 omelets, which is their daily task. And by looking at that speed, it's not going to take another hour. While they have completed their omelet-making daily task, now comes the boiled eggs. They say some of the freshly collected eggs are sent here in this cleaning and boiling facility, so they can entertain both sorts of customers. After boiling these eggs, they cooled down in fresh water to lower their temperature. After that, they go through different and probably a new technique that you have ever seen to remove their shells, separating the boiled eggs beautifully from the peels. Boiled eggs are a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal or snack. They offer a quick and satisfying protein boost, perfect for a busy day. This peanut butter flavored delight is coated with a rich caramel sauce layer and various nuts to create a delicious taste which might be impossible to resist. Once the knick-knack is done, it's cut into small pieces and chilled to achieve the perfect shape and flavor. Hey, if you guys are enjoying our video, please hit that glowing like button and keep supporting us as you always had. And if you have something to ask or appreciate our effort, you can always chit-chat with us in the comments box. Feast your eyes on the creation of these smooth, fluffy marshmallows. Watch as they get a delicate sugar coating in the right amount so they do not stick and remain fluffy and sweet. See how they are perfectly strained to remove any excess sugar, ensuring each marshmallow is an irresistible delight. In today's modern and busy times, having a healthy, nutritious, and delicious breakfast can seem challenging. But when it comes to pancakes, they are both healthy and quick to grab whenever you want. I totally forgot to tell you the major reason behind why the pancakes are always found ready to serve. I bet no explanation is needed, because you are watching the most accessible robotic machine in the baking factory, making dozens of thousands of pancakes on a daily basis. Just a little stop to pour that yummiest chocolate filling and make a pancake sandwich. See how it effortlessly prepares a vanilla ice cream mixture without any lumps, and pouring them into those molds, shaping it into a perfect ice cream bar. Then, to enhance its flavor, it's delicately coated with chocolate. After all the necessary preparations, its packaging is equally attractive, ensuring it looks as good as it tastes. Even before tasting, its delightful flavor can be savored with just a glance. You know that supercharged fast food craving when you're practically helpless until you take that first delicious bite? Well, after watching his complete video, you're gonna ruin your diet. Again. Today we're here inside the fast food giant, McDonald's dedicated unit for those eye-catching behind the scenes. Practically, they collect ingredients from several top-notch suppliers. For example, from here they only import burger buns. So let's talk about them first. So it all starts with these huge industrial machines that are proofing the dough for around 2 times and punch down the dough again so it will be easier to carry around. Yup, now they're going to turn the proofed ingredients to light and fluffy dough balls. Look how perfectly they roll them up. A touch of dry flour gets sprinkled all around them to keep things streamlined. I mean, who want to watch sticky dough messing up the things? Am I right? Now, the dough balls are mechanically placed into their dedicated molds where they will rise again and get baked later. Did you know that every McDonald's hamburger serves up 250 calories, completely free from artificial flavors, preservatives, and color additives? Notice that egg sprayer and the sesame seeds topping? They are all set to get baked in the giant ovens. Yup, the ovens are so huge and well systemized that they manage to keep on baking the buns in dedicated time until all of them get their glossy golden finish. Yeah, I mean once the targeted baking part is over. Just take a peek at these straight rows of thousands of buns. It's truly impossible not to admire it. Now you will surely believe that McDonald's serves over 69 million customers daily across more than 100 countries worldwide, even though the recipe for McDonald's hamburgers has remained largely unchanged since they first started serving them back in 1948. Every safety protocol is thoroughly followed, ensuring they are perfectly delicious, and your burgers will come super quick on ordering. This meat has come from the happiest cows. Surely it's going to be super delicious. I would never know. I'm not a huge hamburger fan. You guys tell me, is it worth trying? Should I go for it at least for once? As they've gone super serious with the grinding process, they keep on grinding the entire meat until it becomes fine enough to proceed for further seasonings to add. Not much, but a little bit of seasoning is added, and it's churned again to get that smooth and rich consistency which is required for juicy and delicious hamburger patties. Thoroughly mixing helps the meat stick together better when they are shaping it into burger patties. Secondly, it spreads the flavors and seasonings more evenly, making each bite extra delicious. Once the patties are shaped, they will be kept chilled for a few hours, so they won't be damaged during transportation. Plus, they will lock the freshness inside. As soon as they get the green signal, they're packaged, keeping them safe from any unexpected twists and ensuring they stay top-notch until they reach their destination. No hamburger is complete without some extra pickles, do you agree? They're taking extra care to give these flavor bombs a thorough wash. Gotta keep things squeaky clean. But hold up, don't go overboard. They are super delicious, but you need to keep checking your health status too. So we would love if you maintain the moderation of such foods. So enjoy those pickles, but maybe not with every bite. They're just dunking those pickles in a brine solution to keep them fresh. Not only fresh, actually, the high salt concentration in brine creates an environment that helps in preserving the pickles and extending their shelf life. We have seen our buns, pickles, and patties ready. What comes next is none other than tomato sauce. It's a necessary ingredient to make the burgers extra delicious. But we will also show you how factories make mustard sauce for McDonald's, so sit back. Prioritizing cleanliness, first the tomatoes get the full spa treatment. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about ensuring every tomato shines bright. These juicy wonders are loaded with fiber, ensuring no bumps in the digestion road. But wait, there's more. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants like lycopene, swooping in to lower the risk of chronic diseases and keep inflammation at bay. Check out the huge automation. It's pretty soothing. And if you like watching such videos, you've come to the right place. So, after the tomatoes get a good soak, they're carefully sorted by workers to remove any dirt or debris that managed to sneak in during the wash. Take a look at these massive boilers. Yeah, that's the power hub. These tomatoes are about to get a hot bath with the temperature perfectly dialed in. This steaming is also important to kill any harmful bacteria if still lingering to the tomatoes. Now they are cleaned and peeled for once and all. Why the second bath after boiling, if this sparks a thought? So it's all about peeling those skins off easily. Once they're soft, the tomato skins come right off, ensuring that no rotten tomatoes or leftover skins mess with the sauce's texture. If things are working out smooth for you guys and you're enjoying this video, please motivate us too, so we will happily create more and more content for you guys and keep you entertained. That's where these experts step in, fine-tuning every detail. If some peels have left behind these smooth rollers, make sure every tomato is bare, reflecting the inner flesh. A little sorting is needed just to make sure it's all good to go. Now these belts take the steamed and peeled tomatoes for a second check, where with the help of some labor, the cleaned and skin-free tomatoes make it to the grinders. Here the tomato paste is ready, which is collected in several bags to store the entire tomato paste so it won't go bad. Once the paste is all set to get processed, they take a bit out of it to first check if it's good to go. The vacuum pipes start releasing the unwanted gases and air pressure to send down the pure tomato paste, worth making the famous ketchup. The process has begun. First, the tomato paste, then other essential ingredients to enhance its flavor are added and churned to make the smooth tomato sauce. Look closely. Those are the secret spices that go into your ketchup bottles and you crave for more and more with every cuisine. These sleek flask-shaped bottles are all set to get filled with ketchup. Those clever minds behind the scenes have ensured there's no mess or dribbling. Now, as these incredible machines seal each bottle tightly, see how they do it with precision, ensuring everything stays spotless and clean-cut. These perfectly applied labels on each bottle typically depicts all the core details like the brand information, ingredients, health facts, and some storage guidelines. You're never going to watch the labor doing this monotonous task ever again. They have put it all up on the automation and now prepping the fresh shredded lettuce for delicious burgers. Its crispy leaves can absorb excess juices from the patty and other ingredients, preventing the bun from becoming soggy. Look how beautifully they are going to wash and then dry of the excessive water from the lettuce. This will keep the lettuce crispier for a longer time, or at least till the last bite of your burger. It's cleaned, chopped, and dried, now ready to be served. Just a little stop to appreciate what I was talking about. Here's going to prepare the most delicious and crazy mustard sauce you may or may not love. But what I heard is, no hamburger is that much delicious without the mustard sauce. Finally, it's your best bet. Just watch this scrumptious assembling of your favorite hamburger and let me know if you have seen this detailed video before. Burgers without fries just aren't the full package, right? Here, they're being sliced into perfect uniform shapes with some incredible blades that are nothing short of spectacular. After a thorough wash, they're dried with precision air pressure before being neatly packed in equal portions. Drinks? Anyone? We've managed to get inside the Sprite factory today, where you will see some marvelous behind the scenes of filling that fancy drink inside the millions of bottles. This sophisticated circular automated machine whirs with precision, filling bottles seamlessly as they move along, ensuring every sip delivers that refreshing taste. This iconic lemon lime soda is enjoyed in over 190 countries worldwide, solidifying its status as one of the most widely distributed soft drinks globally. If you ask me, I have a very bad habit of finishing off every meal with something sweet. It just makes perfect sense to me, ain't it? Just imagine you're having this delicious wafers topped with a creamy ice cream layer, drizzled with rich chocolate. Sounds heavenly. Another creamy ice cream layer, cut with precision, is placed on top. So, Who's getting up from their seats to grab something sweet from the freezer right now? It's all sandwiched perfectly with another waffle. These automated machines work tirelessly, doing hours of work in a couple of minutes without breaking a sweat. Well, of course, machines don't get tired.